Hi, welcome everybody. So today's workout is going to be strength training. So this is going to be a basic workout. You can do this if you're an absolute true beginner. I'm going to be showing the form today so you're doing your exercises correctly, and then over the weeks we'll be lifting heavier weights so you can actually build some strength. Okay, so today all you need are some dumbbells. I'm just asking you to use light dumbbells today because I want you to focus on your form and make sure that you're being safe during the exercises. And you will need a chair. So grab that chair, put me on pause if you need to, grab that chair, and then let's get started. All right, having a dumbbell in each hand, we're starting with our upper back. So feet are shoulder width apart, you are just hinging forward at the hips. So going straight down, your butt is sticking out, your chest is sticking forward, you are having your weights down, you're bringing the elbows up to the ceiling, squeeze that upper back, and then bring the weight back down. So elbows going up to the ceiling, squeeze like you're squeezing a water bottle in between your shoulder blades, and back down. This is 3. We're going up to 15 today. 4, 5, squeeze, 7, 8. So on the downward phase, you're also going slowly. So bring that weight down slowly and back up again. 10. So make sure you're flattening that back. 3 more. This is 13. 14. And last one. Excellent. Okay, standing up straight, we're going to go into our bicep curl. So again, feet are shoulder width apart, knees are always loose, okay? So keep your knees loose, bringing the weight up to the shoulder, squeeze those biceps. Your biceps are here, squeeze, and down. Again, going slowly on the way down. Squeeze those biceps. 4, 5, squeeze. So I'm going to be doing 2 different workouts this week. You are going to, I just want you to have a variety for the workouts. We don't want to be doing the same thing all the time because it gets a little bit boring. And next week you're going to do the same workouts again, but we're going to be lifting heavier weights. Let's do 2 more. Squeeze and down. Good. Okay, now we need the chair. So just pull the chair into the workout. So you could do push-ups on the wall if you'd like. I'm going to be showing this option just because it's just nice to have something different as well. So we're going to be sitting on the very end of the chair, leaning back into the chair, trying to keep that back straight, bringing the weight up in front, now bringing the elbows back, and then press. Press. So right now this feels easy because the weight is light, okay? I want it to be easy today. As I said, if you're used to lifting weights, then definitely pick up those heavier weights. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last one, 15. Good. Bring the weight to your chest and you're just going to pull yourself up. Okay, so I neglected to say in the beginning, you can continue to do all of these exercises out of the chair as well if you wish. So they are definitely, you can definitely sit down and do most of these exercises. There are a few, but you'll see later on, but follow along in a chair if you wish. Okay, shoulders. So we are keeping the feet shoulder width apart, loose knees, having the weights here. We're just bringing the weights up to about shoulder height to ear height and down. So we're now working on the middle part of our shoulder. So going up, 4, 5. So yes, we are moving slowly up and slowly down. Your arms and your muscles are working on the downward phase as well, so it's really important to concentrate throughout the whole exercise. So you might hear a little bit of crunching in your shoulders here. It should not cause any pain though. So if it's causing pain, then don't go as high as I'm going. Just find the height that you're able to go. Everyone's got a different range of motion, so find what works for you. And the other option would be to do it without weights. A lot of people can't use weights for shoulders because of different injuries. You'll probably notice that my weights are at a little bit of a different height. I broke my collarbone many years ago, 12 years ago. So we all have those limitations as well. All right, tricep kickbacks. So again, feet are shoulder width apart. Same position as what we did for the back row. So sticking the glutes out, you are having your arms bent. So glutes are out, chest is forward, lifting that weight up. And now I want you to kick the hands back. So arms are not leaving this position other than kicking those weights back, feeling that in the tricep. You should feel that in your tricep, I already do. Go back to the shoulder, kick back. So always slowly. When I say kick back, I mean kick back slowly. 3, squeeze. 5, squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, squeeze. 14, last one, and squeeze, hold, squeeze, and bring it back. Excellent. Okay, we are moving to legs. So grab that chair. We're going to do our sit to stands. So you can put your weights down. We are standing in front of our chair. Now, if you are if you're used to doing squats, you could do squats instead. If you're not used to it, then I encourage you to use a chair just for safety. Standing in front of the chair, we are going to sit down in the chair, and then we're going to get right back up. So that's one. Grounding your feet into the floor. So when you come up, I want you to press into your heels. Okay, so press into those heels as we come up. If you need to cheat a little bit, you can have your hands here and help yourself up a bit if you need to. You will get stronger and then you'll be able to do more without using your legs, okay? So coming up. And you can do a bit of a bicep curl here as well if you'd like to. This is 7. All right, let's add a little bit into it. Squeeze those glutes. So squeeze those glutes and down. Squeeze the glutes and down. This is 10. Squeeze. Press into those heels. Squeeze the glutes. Squeeze. You've got 2 more. Squeeze. Last one. And squeeze those glutes. Hold, hold, hold. And relax. Excellent. Okay, so our next one are our hamstring deadlifts. Putting the chair out of the way. Grabbing onto those weights again. All right, so with this one, feet are shoulder width apart again. Knees are loose. What you're gonna do, it's the same position as before, sticking the glutes out. So sticking out, your chest is coming forward, you're going down towards your shins, feel that stretch in your hamstrings, and then come back up again. Okay, knees are loose, going down, keeping that back flat, that is key. Make sure you keep your back flat. 3, feel that stretch in the hamstrings, and coming up. 5, 6, 7, squeeze those glutes, let's add that in, going down. Squeeze, going down, this is 9, squeeze those glutes, going down, this is 10, squeeze, going down, squeeze, this is 12, squeeze. You know what, we're gonna stop there. If this is your first time, often you really feel it in the hamstrings. You might be a little bit sore tomorrow, that's okay. Even probably more sore the following day. That often happens where you get sore about 2 days later. That is a fairly intense exercise, so when you start using heavier weights, I encourage you not to use too much. Okay, our next one is our calf raise. Bringing the chair back in, putting the weights down. So working on the strength in our calves. Okay, so we're holding onto the chair. You can also do it without a chair if you'd like. You can just hold onto a wall, lifting the heels up and slowly coming back down. Or holding onto the chair just lightly and then back down. 3, 4, so slowly down, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, our last one, and 1. Good. Okay, so our standing crunch. All right, bringing the chair out again. Again, these can be done in the chair. We're just going to be having our feet shoulder width apart, a little bit further than shoulder width apart. We're crunching down, keeping our abs tight, sticking those glutes out, and coming up. So try and keep everything here in your ab area, core tight, okay? So, but make sure your glutes are going back. Going back, crunching down just a little bit, keeping your gaze forward. Concentrating on those abs. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. We're just going to do 10 for this one. 8, 9, and our last one. 10. Grab those weights if you have them. Standing feet shoulder width apart, keeping your knees bent, and we're just punching. So this is an ab exercise. Concentrate on those abs, keeping those abs tight. So tight, tight, tight. My shoes are squeaky. So punch, punch, punch. All right, our next one are the Supermans. So this is also a core exercise, putting the weights back down, grabbing that chair again. All right, so for this one, we are going to bring the opposite arm and the opposite leg back. Okay, so arm is up, this leg is going back. We are going to just bring them both back a little bit, bring it back down, switching to the other side. So trying to stay in a fairly straight line, toes are going forward. Switching, that's 3, I think. 4, 5, 6, 7, so you probably will feel this in your lower back. 8, 9, and 10. Doing one more on the other side. Excellent. Okay, so that's it for the Supermans. We are going to do our single leg stance. So this is a balance exercise. I want you to put all of your weight on one foot. Lift the other foot off the floor. If you need to hold onto the chair for safety, you can have a hand close by. Otherwise, you can have your hands up or down to the side, whatever you're comfortable with, okay? It depends on your balance, so just be careful. You want to be safe. So lifting that foot off, let's count to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you'll notice if you change your gaze, it will also change your balance a little bit. The one point when I looked up, I could feel it in my feet. So do challenge your balance a little bit by taking your gaze off the floor and looking forward instead. Switching to the other side, putting all your weight on that side, lifting the opposite foot, and let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Okay, bring that foot down. Next one is rock the boat. So feet are a little bit more than shoulder width apart. We are going to just rock back and forth. So we're going onto one foot and then onto the other. So that's why it's called rock the boat. It's like we're going just back and forth. You can bring your arms up if you want. So do whatever you feel is comfortable for you. Have your hand by that chair if you need it. So knees are slightly bent. So you'll notice this is also quite hard on the legs. This is a workout for your legs for sure, for strengthening your legs. Let's do a few more just for that, for the reason of strengthening our legs. So when you get tired, definitely stop. Do not feel you have to keep going. Let's just do one more and back down. All right, that is it. It's a short workout. I just wanted to introduce you to some of the exercises that we'll be doing over the next several weeks, months, or whatever for our exercises. I will be changing it up each time. I hope that was helpful. I will be doing another workout in a couple of days, so you'll have some different variety, and hopefully we will get stronger. Well, we will get stronger. That's a given. So strength training is super, super important. It will increase your metabolism. It is what you need to be doing at any age, but especially as we get older. All right, have a great day. Definitely do a cardio workout after this one if you have the energy, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.